Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another exciting video for you guys. So today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. So I just got these in the mail literally like half an hour ago. So before we get into the video, just click down below on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload another video on this channel. Alright, so I know you guys are watching. You can't wait for me to open this box, so I'm excited as well. So let's get into it. Alright, got this. Here we have the silver 11 Pro. This is a 256 gigabyte, as you can see on the box here. And we have the gold 11 Pro Max in 256 gigabytes as well. So here you can see both boxes. One's silver, one's gold, and the different sizes. As you know before, we got the Pro Max on the left here and the Pro on the right. So let me file this shipping box aside, and then we're gonna work with the big guns right here. So first off, we're gonna open the 11 Pro silver. So this is gonna be for my wife. As you can see, it's the smaller version here, and I got the Max for myself. It's a bigger one. So it's pretty much with this one, if you have small hands, then you're gonna have problems using this one. Alright, so first we're gonna open the silver Pro. Put that aside. We're gonna do the reveal. There we go. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh man. Stainless steel on the sides, silver back, and looking directly at this, it looks kind of white, but from an angle it turns silver, as you can see in the video. Depending on the angle, it looks kind of silver. So it has some plastic on the front here. I'm not gonna take this off as yet. So what else in the box? We got the papers here. Think we should have some stickers, as they always put them in here. Yep, we got stickers. We got the pin here, the SIM tool right here in this pack as well. And you can see this phone, I can use this easily one-handed because it's the Pro, the small one. I pretty much surpass the entire screen with my thumb here. So this would do perfect for my wife. She would love this size phone. You can use it for, it's pretty easy for one-handed use. And we have the triple camera set up in the back here. So we have the main, we have the wide angle, the main, we have the ultra wide, and the telephoto lens on the back. So pretty much some people online, they were complaining about the shape of this camera cutout, but in person it looks really nice. I have no problems with it. And you can see the chrome rings going around the cameras in the back here as well. So we have in the box a fast charger. I think this is an 18-watt charger. You get the headphones as well, typical headphones from Apple that you get in the boxes, and also the charging cable. And we have a USB Type-C to Lightning cable here. So that's new for the iPhones. So we're just gonna go ahead, put this back in the box here, and we're gonna move on to the gold one, the Pro Max. So I'm gonna set this right here, and we're gonna open this one. this is the Pro Max, 256 gigabytes on both, and we have the gold. And this looks really nice in person. I haven't really looked at this much in person, because in the stores I see they mostly have the gray and that green color that they have, that new color they have on the iPhones. We mostly see those in the stores. I've never really seen the gold that much, but it's really beautiful. It's not like the prior ones that looks kind of pink. This one's actual gold, so it looks really nice. This one's really nice. And same thing, we have the plastic on the front. I'm not gonna take those off as yet, since I don't have a screen protector on as yet. In the box, it's pretty much the same thing that's in the other one. We got the stickers, the SIM eject tool. We also have the same 18-watt fast charger and the headphone, and we have the charging cable right here, this USB type C to lightning cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this device on so you guys can see a little bit. Alright, there we go. That's the Apple logo. It says welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started, and there we go. We're on the home screen. Let me turn up the brightness so you can see better, and there we go on the home screen. Alright, so we have our phone here, so you can see. Pretty nice. It's not as big as people make it seem, like the Max is outrageous. It's not as big as they seem. If you have small hands, this is gonna definitely would be an issue for you, but for me it's not an issue. And I always try to turn True Tone off immediately because I hate it. Alright, there we go. Look at the difference in the white. Alright, so I'm gonna have another video coming for you guys regarding this phone, so remember to stick around. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please, to support this channel, just remember to go ahead below this video and hit the subscribe button before you move on to the next video. And thank you for watching.